for example, here's the bracket, here's the nut. So you have this one that would go through here. And then it is secured with this nut to keep it on. You get the picture. However, the cable I received actually don't need that nut. What it needs is these clips. So right here, this slot, this clip is what is going to hold the linkages in place on the mount. So you have two variations, both will work.